Liven App is a self-discovery app designed to help users build healthier habits, track moods, and gain perspective through tools like personalized programs, routine builders, and a smart companion called Livy. It also offers bite-sized psychology insights, well-being quizzes, and soundscapes for focus. Many users praise its calming influence and structured guidance, saying it helps them start the day with positive thoughts. However, reviews also highlight issues. Subscriptions can be confusing, with reports of charges before free trials ended and slow refunds. Journaling features are limited, mood tracking options feel restrictive, and some believe the app is too expensive for its current stage of the development. Overall, Liven is a legitimate mindfulness tool with potential, but it's best approached cautiously. Try the free version first or the free features and only commit to premium if the tools genuinely fit your needs. You can just avoid the free trial first because there are some issues with it. So good luck on trying this app.